Hey TCL crew, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a video on this wig that I purchased. It is a full lace wig, and this is the wig that I'm going to be using to make my faux lock wig for my birthday. So if you would like to see what wig I bought, stay tuned for this video. This is a Jessica hair wig. It is a full lace wig, which means it has a natural appearance all around the head. I can part it any way I like, and you basically are seeing what looks like scalp. As I ran my hand through the wig, I did experience a minimal amount of shedding, which is very normal for a new wig. Now it is time to wash the wig. I am using lukewarm water. I'm going to put some shampoo inside of the water, and then I'm going to let the wig soak in the water for about 5 to 10 minutes. After the wig has been soaking for about 5 to 10 minutes, I am going to go through and shampoo the wig. I am going to be gentle as to not rip any strands out of the wig. Now it is time to add some conditioner, and I'm going to make sure the entire wig is covered with conditioner. Okay, look at them curls. All right. So after I finish squeezing out the water very gently, I'm going to take a cotton shirt and I'm going to pat the wig dry. I'm not going to rub because that will cause excess frizz. So just patting gently to dry. Now, being that this is a wig, it is 100% human hair, but I don't want to weigh it down with too much product. So I'm going to just use a bit of conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and a bit of oil just to moisturize the hair so it won't be too dry. Now notice I did not bleach the lace on this wig because I did buy a honey spray tint where I don't have to bleach. So job well done. Thank you guys for watching, and until the next video.